discovering unique birds. Hello, young explorers. Are you ready to learn about some of the most unique birds in the world? Great! Let's get started. Our first stop takes us to the forests of India, where we encounter the magnificent peacock. Known for its striking, iridescent feathers and elaborate courtship displays, the peacock is truly a sight to behold. Wow, look at those vibrant feathers. Did you know that only male peacocks have these extravagant tails? They use them to attract females during mating season. Next, we journey to the rainforests of South America to meet the master of camouflage, the potoo. With its cryptic plumage and owl-like appearance, the potoo blends seamlessly into its surroundings, making it incredibly difficult to spot. Can you spot the potoo? It's amazing how well it blends in with its environment, isn't it? This clever bird knows how to stay hidden from predators. Our final destination brings us to the lush forests of Central and South America, where we encounter the energetic red-capped manakin. This tiny bird may be small in size, but it's big on dance moves. During mating season, male manakins perform intricate dance routines to attract females. Check out those fancy footwork. Male manakins sure know how to impress the ladies with their dance moves. It just goes to show that birds have their own unique ways of finding love. Well, that concludes our journey through the world of unique birds. I hope you enjoyed learning about these amazing creatures as much as I did. Until next time, happy bird watching!